Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you a way to practice logo design and get used to generate logo design ideas. Along the way you will watch how I design 2 logos step by step using Adobe Illustrator. So make sure to watch to the end of the video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comments section. Have a nice watching. First I will go to this website, randomwordgenerator.com. I change the words number to 2. And the length to less than 6 characters. Now, click on this button in order to generate random words. I will use these words as a logo name and keywords to come up with some ideas. Keep clicking until you find a good combination. I will go with these 2 words, speed duck. Now, I will do a quick search for images related to the chosen words, to get inspired and use it as references. With the reference images in mind, I start sketching any idea that I think about. First, I will start by making a vertical rectangle like this one. Then, starting from the bottom left corner, I will make a horizontal one. Now, with the ellipse tool, I hold Shift and drag to make a circle with the same width as the first rectangle. Hold Shift and drag it down, to form the duck's head. I will make a little rectangle here, which will form the beak of the duck. I select everything. Then from the Pathfinder, I click Unite. Now, with the Direct Selection tool, select the bottom left corner of the little rectangle, then drag the live widget to make it rounded. If you don't have this option, check out the How to Round Corners video. Now select this corner and make it rounded. And finally, this one. Decrease the size a little. Okay, this is the duck shape. Now I will make the flash icon to illustrate the speed effect. With the pen tool, make a line in that way. Then increase the size to 30 points. Then with the width tool, hold click on the top point and drag to make it sharp. Then do the same thing to the bottom point. With Direct Selection tool I will extend the 2 points a little. Now, rotate it and place it here as a wing. Now adjust the rotation angle and optically try to make it balanced with the duck shape. Select the flash icon, then go Object and click on Expand Appearance. Then from the Pathfinder click on Unite. From the color panel I quickly give the duck a dark yellow color. Then I give this icon an orange color to reflect energy. Decrease the size of the logo. Then I write the two chosen words as logo name. I change the font to a bold sans serif 1. Then I try to balance it with the logo. Now, I make a thin horizontal rectangle in the same width of the duck. Then I drag it down under the logo name. Then I give it the yellow color. I made this line to make the logo more balanced. Now, with the arrow keys I try to make all the elements optically aligned. And this is pretty much our first concept. Okay, now I am going to move to the next concept. You can see in the sketch that this logo will be formed by thick lines. So, with the pen tool, hold Shift and make a line in the form of a duck. Like this. Increase the size to about 14 points. Then with the Direct Selection tool, I select this part and move it up to make the negative space more balanced. Then I will do the same to this part. I move this line down a little. Then with the pen tool, I add a line here. Then hold Alt and drag it up to duplicate it. Then I make it shorter. I did this to make the wings and to illustrate the speed effect. Manually I try to make all the lines aligned and in balance. Now, with the Direct Selection tool, I select this 2 points and drag the live widgets to make the top of the head rounded. Also, I make this corner rounded. I do the same thing to these two corners. Now, I select everything, then go to Object, and click on Expand. Uncheck the fill box, then press OK. Now, extend these two lines from the left side, then hold Alt and drag the duck shape to left and place it over the lines, like this. Hold Shift and select the two lines. With the Shape Builder tool, hold Alt and drag over the useless parts to take it off. With the Direct Selection tool, I select this point and drag the live widget to make it rounded. Then I do the same thing for the ends of all the lines. Now, I give it a yellow color. Then I decrease the size of the logo. Now, I write the logo name and I give it a bold font. I think there is an opportunity for a good trick here. Let's remove one letter D. Then I color these letters with yellow. Then right-click, and click on Create Outlines. I did this to transform the text into shapes. Right-click, then go to Isolate Selected Group. With the pen tool, make a diagonal line over the letter D. Increase its size. Then rotate it to cross the letter D exactly from the top left. Then go to Object and click on Expand, then press OK. Hold Shift and select the line with the letter, then go to the Pathfinder and click on -front. Right-click on the letter D, and click on Ungroup. Select the right side and give it the yellow color. That way, with only one letter D, we can read the word speed and the word duck. I am just experimenting what comes to my mind. It's good to make it a habit so you can always find great ideas. Okay, I'll decrease the size of the icon, and align it horizontally with the logo name. I decrease the logo name size a little. I am trying to find good balance between the two elements. My advice to you is to always keep playing with the logo, until you get it right. I think I'll change the black to a dark gray color. And that's it, our second concept finished. This is a good way to practice logo design and make your mind use to come up with logo design ideas. Thank you for watching. These are the best comments of the previous tutorial, and don't forget to comment with the most valuable thing you find in this video. This week I will post more tutorials and there is some giveaways coming. Stay tuned, and see you in another video.